How to fix Google Chrome slow downloading. So if you are facing this problem, first and foremost open your Google Chrome, tap on the three dot and head to settings. From the list in your left hand side, go ahead and tap on privacy and security. Now scroll down until you find the option of security here. Then here you have to find the option of custom DNS. So scroll down. Under Use Secure DNS, tap on Custom and select Cloudflare. You can also use the Google one, but for me, I'll be selecting Cloudflare here. Now, this will help to optimize your network speed at its best. Now, on to the next step. What you can do other is you can again go to your Google and tap on the three dot, and this time tap on Settings. Now, here again, go ahead and choose the option of System. Now, make sure that continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed is toggled off. Then also make sure that use hardware acceleration when available is toggled on like this. And this will also help to utilize the network speed. Again, tap on the three dot and head to extension, and if there is any unnecessary extension, make sure to remove it. By doing all of this step, the problem of your network speed while downloading will be fixed in your Google Chrome. Make sure to give it a like, and thank you so much for watching. We'll see you very soon.